Chiwenga drops Tagwirei corruption bomb. The 19th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. Zimbabwe's ruling party is in turmoil after Vice President Constantino Chiwenga tabled an explosive dossier accusing President Emerson Mnangagwa's allies of looting billions and capturing ZANU-PF. The confrontation unfolded at a stormy Politburo meeting on Wednesday, where Chiwenga accused petroleum tycoon KUTYA Tagwirei of siphoning $3.2 billion from a secret ZANU-PF stake in Secunda Holdings. The 45% shareholding, allegedly held in trust by Mnangagwa, Kembo Mohadi, and Patrick Chinamasa, had yielded nothing for the party. Instead, Chiwenga claimed, Tagwirei used the funds to entrench loyalty networks, working through flamboyant benefactors Wicknell Chivio, Delishangua, and Scott Sakapwanya. He said the party had never received a cent. One insider revealed, instead, the billions were used to capture ZANU-PF structures. With the complicity of the trustees, Chiwenga demanded the immediate arrest of Tagwirei and his associates, collectively branded the ZVAITWA. He further charged that Mnangagwa himself was the ultimate beneficiary of the scheme. The dossier cited Chivio's recent donation of $1 million and 10 luxury vehicles to provincial leaders as proof of illicit influence. In a telling contradiction, presidential spokesman George Charamba insisted the vehicles were party property, undermining Chivio's boast that they were personal gifts and bolstering Chiwenga's claims. The clash turned personal when State Security Minister Lovemore Maddock accused Chiwenga of plotting to seize power. Chiwenga snapped back, reminding him of his role in Mnangagwa's 2017 return from exile. If I removed Mugabe and invited Mnangagwa back, what makes Maddock think I now want to remove him undemocratically? Mnangagwa, visibly shaken, set up a committee led by Obert Mpafu, Apa Muchinguri, and Chinamasa to probe the claims. Yet insiders said the president even considered canceling his UN General Assembly trip to contain the fallout. By Thursday, tensions were spilling over. Breaking tradition, Mnangagwa skipped the customary pre-briefing with Chiwenga and Mohadi before a central committee meeting. In his speech, he appeared to temper loyalists' calls for a 2030 agenda to extend his rule. It is of critical importance that we introspect as a party, with the bigger objective that our party wins the 2028 harmonized general elections, Mnangagwa told members. Addressing the Central Committee, Mnangagwa issued a thinly veiled warning to his benefactors. Those splashing money without traceable sources should be arrested, he declared. The remark came barely 24 hours after Chiwenga's dossier named the ZVAITWA as corrupt financiers who have captured both state and party institutions. As ZANU-PF heads into its October conference, the confrontation has set the stage for a bruising power struggle at the very top, pitting the military-backed vice president against a president, increasingly shielded by oligarchs and his own family.